You take 2 bottles of cleaning solution, mix them in the sink, and within seconds, something unstoppable begins. Your lungs are destroyed from the inside, even before you feel a thing. Chlorine and ammonia-based liquids. Most glass cleaners, for example, when mixed, release a gas that burns lung tissue, irritates the respiratory tract, and can kill in minutes. This gas is nearly colorless and odorless in small quantities. You simply start coughing, thinking you've got something in your throat, and half an hour later, you can't breathe. And you won't be able to call an ambulance. Every year, thousands of people end up in the hospital just like this. They were simply cleaning their apartment. No negligence, no stupidity. They just had 2 bottles next to each other under the sink. In a confined space, a toilet, a bathroom, the gas concentration increases tenfold faster. You won't have time to reach the window. You'll simply collapse in the middle of cleaning. The rule is simple. Never mix cleaning products, even if it seems faster. Right now, grab the bottles you have under your sink and check the ingredients of each one. There's a good chance one of them contains ammonia. The bathroom is one of the deadliest places on the planet. Not the mountains, not the jungle. An average bathroom in an average apartment kills more people than most sports combined. A wet tile floor is as slippery as a real skating rink. One awkward movement when getting out of the shower, and your body goes flying at full force. Hitting the towel isn't just a bruise. When you fall, the back of your head hits you with the force of a sledgehammer. The skull doesn't always withstand the impact. Hemorrhaging can start hours later. You got up, smiled, went to bed, and never woke up. Elderly people die from falls in the bathroom more often than from heart attacks. But the same applies to young people, especially if you haven't slept, have been drinking, or are simply rushing to work in the morning. An anti-slip mat costs a few dollars. A grab bar can be installed on the wall in 20 minutes. This is literally a matter of life and death, not a metaphor. Look at your bathroom right now and think. You put your phone to charge next to your bed. The charger's under your pillow or right next to your head. Millions of people do this every night, and some of them never wake up. Cheap chargers, especially aftermarket ones, don't have proper overheat protection. They can catch fire right next to your head while you're fast asleep. Synthetic underwear catches fire in seconds. Carbon monoxide kills faster than fire. You lose consciousness before you even feel the heat. You simply won't wake up. Even if the device doesn't catch fire, it can still electrocute you. A damaged cord next to your body while you're sleeping means direct electrical contact with your skin. The shock through your heart stops it in a split second. The solution is simple. Don't put the cord under your pillow. Use only original or proven chargers and charge your phone on the table, not next to you, on the table. One rule. Death by chargers sounds ridiculous, but it's absolutely real. Firefighters say this is one of the most common causes of apartment fires at night. Subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. It's important. It doesn't smell, it's invisible. It slowly displaces the air from the room while you sleep next to it, and your brain falls asleep with you. Only you won't wake up. Carbon monoxide occurs during any incomplete combustion. An old stove, a clogged burner, poor ventilation. You close the windows, turn on the stove, go into another room, and the poisoning has already begun. The first sign is a slight headache and the desire to sleep. This is what kills you. You think you're just tired. You lie down to rest, and the longer you lie there, the less likely you are to get up. At high concentrations of the gas, a person loses consciousness in 3 to 5 minutes. The heart is still beating, but the brain is already dying. They will revive you later, but they will never bring you back to the person you were.
Hiya, pal.
A carbon monoxide detector costs less than $20. It sounds an alarm before you lose consciousness. This isn't paranoia. It's a box that decides whether you will wake up tomorrow or not.
Thanks.
Do you think overdosing is a drug-related issue? A common painkiller found in almost every medicine cabinet kills thousands of people every year. Most of them just wanted to bring down a fever. Paracetamol is one of the most dangerous drugs when taken in excess. It doesn't kill immediately and produces almost no symptoms for the first 24 hours. You feel fine, but your liver is already being destroyed. By the second or third day, organ failure begins. By the time things get really bad, it's practically impossible to save the person, even in the hospital. Everything has already happened inside while you thought you were just getting sick. The problem is that paracetamol is found in dozens of medications, painkillers, cold remedies, fever powders. People take several different pills and don't realize they're taking the same substance over and over again. The maximum amount for an adult is 4 grams per day. 3 or 4 flu powders, plus a couple of painkillers, and you're already over that limit. Read the ingredients, not just the name on the package. Your own home should be the safest place, but it's here that people die from seemingly ordinary things. Subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. It's important.
We did it, folks!